So I'm quite pleased with this because everything here, apart from the chicken obviously, and actually the carrots and the garlic, has come out from the garden. We've got some leeks there, some snowball turnips, parsley and shallots, and some of those oyster mushrooms left over. So with those I'm going to turn that into some kind of tarty bake thing. See how we go. So the chicken's all ready. What I like to do is cut a lemon in half, shove it one half up there, one half into there, cut a garlic bulb in half, the whole bulb, half in the backside and half up there. A lot of herbs from the garden, whatever you can grab. A lot of thyme is the best thing. There's still some sage in there. Shoved in the little crevices, and then salt and pepper and a bit of olive oil. And I've decided what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make some kind of turnip boulangere. That's what we're going to do. So, see how that goes. Big knob of butter on the shallots first. Leeks and the mushrooms in there. I'm just going to give them like a minute or so. Lots of garlic. Turned off the heat now. Oh, load of garlic. Parsley. Lots of parsley. Excuse me. Okay, so now I'm just going to build up the layers. A spoon of this, and then a few of these, a spoon of this, a few of these, build it up and up and up and up. So that's what I've ended up with. So what I'm going to do is pour a whole load of chicken stock in there and a few big knobs of butter and season it. And then slam it in the oven probably 45 minutes, 50 minutes, easy. Forgot to say, you want to put just a little bit of like full cream milk in there really first. It's a proper boulangere. And then pull this over. I'm trying to do this one-handed and what's what I'm doing at the same time. So blah. There. Right there. A whole load of butter. Anyway, next bit. So I've got my spuds on the go. They're sort of boiling so I can fluff up the edges. That's the trick to a proper roast potatoes. Decent knob of butter. You don't need to do all that goof fat nonsense, duck fat nonsense. No. Just a good lump of butter, vegetable oil and olive oil, equal kind of measures. That needs to go in the pan to get really, in the oven to get really hot first. And that's what the boulangere thing looks like before that goes in. So when these are ready, I'll drain them off, shake them in the pan so they all fluff up. I'll show you. Okay, so now I'm going to drain these spuds off and I'll show you, give them a really good shake. Watch. Whilst they're in the pan, shake them. Then all fluffed up. See? Leave them like that for a bit whilst you put the pan with the oil into the oven, get it nice and hot. There you go. Stir in fluffed up potatoes. Give them a good stir around the thing. Cut them up with the oil. And I'll put them in with the boulangere. So there's my chicken, boulangere in there, off they go. Now that is a thing of perfection. There you have it. Veg, milky puds, chicken, boulangere thing. No, not too bad. Spuds. Gravy. Time for tucker.